Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at a powerful tool that can help you save time and get better results online. Make sure you watch
To
this
the
video.
official demo of WP Conversion Tracker. So this is the conversion tracking plugin that I've been using every single day in my business, basically since around March 26th. Since then, we have tracked basically 27,000 clicks, over $200,000 in revenue, and we've got our net earnings here, average orders value, refunds, total cost, profit loss, ROI, absolutely everything. So in this demo video, the plugin has a lot of options and a lot of really cool features. We consider ourselves basically the best WordPress and even overall tracking plugin on the internet, especially available for a one-time cost. So let's just go through the dashboard first, and then I'm going to go through everything here on the top to show you how amazing this is, including the AI analysts, so you can see exactly how this money was made, what questions you can ask, and how you can use this to grow your business. So with the original dashboard, you have all the information that you need. If there's something that you don't want to worry about, you can just remove it. And you've got more hidden items here as well, which you can put everything back in place. You have the same with your charts. The charts are absolutely amazing. One of the cool features about this is obviously you've got your daily breakdown of clicks and the revenue trend as well. What I really love, and one of the things I wanted to build in this from the very start, is the hourly trend. So I can see basically overall for the past year, for example, when most of my clicks are coming, you can see here it's 3 p.m. my time, and that's obviously when I sent the emails. And you can see when most of the sales come in as well. You can do that for any time frame, any length. You can use bars, lines, area graph, or hourly trend. Right, let's continue. You've got your best performing clicks. Let's just put it over the past 30 days. You can see here 400 reports bundle, an affiliate promotion, a live, and another promotion. You can see the countries, the top converting links per sales, the top converting links for leads, and then the top performing offers as a vendor, my products, and my top performing affiliate offers. As we scroll down here, you've got your profit and loss charts. And then you've got the recent clicks. So basically, this is all the clicks that I received so far today. As the clicks are coming in, the link, the country, the sub tracking ID, the IP address, and here I've got the recent conversions. Now, what is really cool about this is you can see here there is two types of figures here. In some cases where I make all of the money and there's no vendor fees. In these cases, there is there's vendor fees. And in this case, there's affiliate fees. So you can see my actual revenue after making a sale, for example, of $147 being affiliate. So you're actually getting the real breakdown, and that's where the net and the gross come into play. Obviously, at any one time, I can click on show all and show all conversions here as well. So let's continue to the next part. Just go to create links. It will answer a lot of questions that you might have. You have create the link name, the slug, the destination URL, the tracking parameters, the attribution, basically who you want to get to click, the first or the last, or the sale. You've got a folders here. You can create a new folder at any one time. You've got the cost per click and the notes. In general, for 99% of the clicks I create, it is basically quick. Put in the name of the link, put in the slug, and put in the destination URL, and click on create. But there's so many features that have been requested by members over the past 6 months. Basically, we have built into WP Sync. If you own that plugin, you can send the clicks anywhere you want. You've got the geo tracking built in. This is obviously included in the bundle on the front end. It's not an upgrade, it's included. So basically, you can select any country you want, select all, clear all, and of course that is optional. Again, I don't really use that. There's a public feed setting as well, which is really, really cool. And then you've got advanced options here, such as tracking IDs and values. So basically, if you want to use external tracking programs and forward on anything you want, this is included here as well. So that is create a link. Once you click create link, generally it takes 5 seconds. Everything is going to be inside links here. So you have a full breakdown here, and you have a timeline as well. So basically, I'll just leave it at all time. As you can see, there is there's hundreds of, sorry, just over 30, nearly 30,000 clicks here, and everything just loads instantly. I am using a privacy recording plugin here, so you can see a lot of things are going to be hidden. But basically, overall, this is what you can see. It is just absolutely fantastic. You have, I will sort it, I'll just leave it as it is. Basically, the total number of clicks, the unique clicks, leads, sales, gross, net, and the traffic quality. So let's just dig into this recent promotion, for example. I sent 364 unique clicks, the gross revenue, the net revenue, and the traffic quality, and the profit loss. The newest feature we added here is, before I go back to stats, is traffic quality. So you can just click on this link here. In a new window, all of the traffic results for that, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, the country breakdown, the device breakdown, the top sources of where the actual traffic was coming from, and the click quality. And then you can see a complete breakdown as well. In some cases, you can actually see the full name and last name with the audience vault. So let's continue with that is traffic quality. Let's just go back and look at the stats here. You can see here a breakdown exactly of all the charts again are available. For example, today, yesterday, obviously the conversions would have went down, last 7 days up. So it's really cool like that. Devices, countries, top referrers. And these are all the sub IDs and where the sales were actually coming from as well. I wasn't using a sub ID at the start, and then eventually I started using sub IDs, and you can see basically it's standard tracking. Here you can see the actual conversions for this. So basically where the sales come in and where actually the amount as well. So let's go back to, that is the links. That is the link stats. Let's just go back here and show you what else is inside links. So you can copy the link, which will basically just copy the URL. You can edit the link, and from here you can preview the link. And of course, you've got A/B split testing. So I can send different squeeze pages, different landing pages, different bonus pages. It doesn't matter what you would like to split test. You can order declare the winner, original B, any variant, and set the percentage. So it has a full easy to set up split testing feature for every single link as well. Let's go back into stats as well. I just want to show you some more things here. You have view traffic quality here as well. And this is a new recent feature where you can share the live stats with anyone you want. So for example, I would like to pick a link. You can save the branding. Let me just save live stats, create shareable link. And from here, boom, you can share that with anyone you want, and it's going to be live stats for your link. And what it does is you can turn that off at any time as well. You can see here, I can revoke that with one click as well. So it's really, really cool. You can set out unlimited links and can be used in many ways. You can save it as a PDF, export it. You'll have your complete branding in place, everything about that, and it will include tracking and conversions as well. So that is just on links alone, guys. We have covered traffic quality here. You can see traffic quality for the last 90 days. You can break it down by link, by time zone, by pretty much anything you want. Right, this is another one of the latest features, which is the AI Analyst. So the way it basically costs absolutely nothing. You connect your API key, but the cost is almost zero because it is only using the data that is in your database. So for example, let's just look at this. Analyze my traffic for the past 90 days. Click and run analyze. And I will say, while this is running, over the past few months, every single type of marketer is moving over to WP Conversion Tracker, especially with our link import feature. So you can just import anything in a click. It's from CPA marketers, paid advertisers, solo ad sellers, product launchers, affiliate marketers, and even newbies. So let's just have a quick look at this. This is the verdict on my traffic over the past 90 days. Basically, it's saying the amount of money, the clicks, the revenue comes from 3 links. Massive 54% revenue is affiliated to this. And then you've got scale this, keep this, watch this, and kill this. It's giving me a complete overview of where my money is made, where I'm wasting money, what to do next, etc. So that's just one of the features of this. If we go down here, you've got an actual chatbot. So you can see, okay, for example, compare tier 1 versus tier 3 conversion rate. You can ask it anything you want. I'm not going to get into it massively in this video. You could spend all day playing with it. But just to give you a quick example of this chat here, what is really cool about this as well, it saves every single question you ask it. So you could rerun it. You could rerun reports anytime you want. So tier 1 is crushing it with 20% conversion, and tier 3 15.5, and it just gives you a breakdown here of everything as well. I could say country by country or anything I want with this. So let's continue with another feature here. That is the AI Analyst. We've covered folders, so you can save all your links into different folders. It's not something I massively use, but I know some people love that feature. Right, we have got one of the best cross-domain forwarding tracking, basically script and tracking programming that you will find online. Basically, it carries what you call a click ID on every single click that you start from WP Conversion Tracker. And it carries that across the domain, across devices, across emails, across everything. And you have just a really, really complete tracking script in place. It works with absolutely everything. You have got postback URL, you have got HTML, and you've got JavaScript. We have built-in easy solutions for all of these here, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, PayPal, etc. But I will stress that it works with absolutely anything. So we'll talk more about here with, you have your JVZoo Connect, that it will connect automatically all of your sales that come in via JVZoo without needing anyone to click a link. So basically that's how we're able to build up income from all our affiliate sales and all our vendor sales on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Stripe as well. If you're selling direct via Stripe, just put in your IPN, and basically every single sale will go into WP Conversion Tracker. If it's never been clicked, it will just say no link. If it was clicked in the past, it will be connected to that sale. It is just really, really cool. Right, so this is another cool feature. We have import your CSV. So basically, you've got a template here that you can use, and it imports the name, the slug, and everything you need into the database in seconds. And basically from there, you can just cross over all your links and just start using this. So within, within a few minutes, literally, you can have all your previous links built into this system. You have Warrior Plus Connect as well. You've got split tests, and this is another cool feature, which is basically rotators. I was asked about this recently. So the rotators, it's basically a standard rotator. You put in your name, you put in the slug, they rub around max clicks or even, and then you've got max clicks per URL, the destination URL, and the fallback URL. It works absolutely flawlessly. And then we will have IP activity logs. So basically every single click, every single lead, and you have a breakdown of everything as well. So for example, I can click on this IP address and I can see if that person has clicked in the past, if they have purchased anything in the past, everything like that. So it is really, really cool in that sense. Right, across the board, then you've just all the training that you need, all the resources that you need, and from start to finish, and how the system works. So this is Kevin Farley. This is, you could say, a short demo video of WP Conversion Tracker. It has just a really, really lot of cool features. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Cheers.
Regarding the bonuses, please visit the bonus page below this video and you can pick any bonus, purchase through my link, and send me a message to deliver them.